right, welcome here today, Stars and Stripes. Today we're going to be cutting through some concrete slab to do a water service repair. So here we've got our hydraulic concrete cutting saw. Tim, you want to explain kind of how this puppy works?
Yeah, so it's powered by hydraulics, and I've got a hydraulic pump on my truck that's run by the PTO. And this is our bigger hand saw. It cuts 8 inches. We're not quite sure how thick the slab is, so I'm choosing to run this as opposed to the smaller one, just to make sure we're getting through and making things nice and easy for us today.
Awesome. Guys, here's the story. Here's what they've got going on. This customer's had a leak underneath the slab in the laundry utility room for quite a while, but they've been leaking for a long time. And what we're running into is when they were cutting the slab lowered several inches, basically because there's a big void underneath it. And that's why when you saw the slab drop, that's all the erosion from the water. So if you ever have a leak under a slab, you definitely want to get it taken care of quickly, otherwise you'll get the soil eroded. It's gonna be fun. Look at all this water down here. They had a pipe. Look how close that pipe was. I can push this straight down, but it's like all sand. All right, let's take a look at how bad this sinkhole is. So they located the leak where we dug here. Unfortunately, the leak's way back there. Not even close to right there. Look at that. A little off. So normally we would remove the concrete, which they did a fabulous job of doing. But here, obviously, we got a sinkhole full of water and we got a mess. Basically, this whole slab from here in the next room is basically like a cave. And that's not good because that means the concrete's settling and the pipes that were installed were directly installed right below the concrete. Like, it doesn't even look like there was any dirt put on any of them. Like, the concrete was sitting on top of the utilities. That's another issue. So the leak is probably about 4 feet off from where it was supposed to be. So now basically we're gonna have to figure out how to cut the concrete in that room and dig down to the pipe to get it repaired properly. Otherwise, this water is just gonna keep, I mean, it's not gonna stop. Alice, what do we have going on right now?
Oh, I can't even look at you.
You can't even look at me.
We have the craziest leak that I've ever dealt with.
Yeah. All right, we got a little bit of movement. Full day. All right, Silas, how are we looking?
My repair is good, but there is another one.
Silas, how do you feel? Are you dry?
No. Other than this, shout out Home Depot for the gear.
For the gear? That's right.
there's our repair, and then turn the water on, and we got water coming from further over there somewhere.
Right.